coming to Guyana, the experience is just unique, different from any other tourist destination that you can think about. Without a doubt, when you look at the species of plants, of the animals, the insects, the birds, you know, it's just fascinating. Things that other countries would just see in a book or they would just see on television, we actually get to see it up close and personal. In some regions, we actually get to see it almost every day.
Guyana and its landscapes are as diverse as its peoples. The environment is part of our nature. Our very majestic waterfalls and rivers, our wide variety of flora and fauna are all part of what we stand for.
Guyana is divided into 4 natural regions: the low coastal plain, the hilly sand and clay region, the highland region, and the interior savannas. Each one of these natural regions has their own uniqueness, their own beauty, and something compelling and satisfying that kind of just hones you in.
Guyana's landscape is so vast and diverse, you would need to spend at least a few weeks to even get a glimpse of what this beautiful country has to offer. From the mangrove forest and its rich ecosystems and migratory birds and scarlet ibises in the north, to the Pacaraima Mountains, Panuku Mountains, and all of the wondrous rivers and waterfalls in the south. Not forgetting in between, you have the massive Mount Roraima and all the other tabletop tepuis.
And as you move around Guyana, wherever you go, there's always something surprising. There's always another surprise that awaits you. It's a moment that you would want to repeat and just want to all over again.
We're here waiting to show you the beauty that our country contains. So what are you waiting for?